Okay, children. Now today we are going to write the numbers in ascending order and in descending order. So first we have to know what is ascending order and what is descending order. In the previous classes, in second, third, fourth, we learnt ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? From smaller number to bigger number. In the increasing order, you have to write. Okay, first you have to write the smaller number, then next bigger, next bigger, next bigger, like this. In the increasing order of numbers, you have to write. That increasing order is called ascending order. Descending order means what? From bigger number to smaller number, you have to write. So decreasing order, it is descending order. Okay, in our exercise 1.2, the third bit problems are, what are the third bit problems? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. In that, A. What is A? 34,78,235. It is the first number. 25,46,087. Second one. Next, 13,25,216. Next, 41,59,932. And 5,49,076. Okay, these are the numbers given in the problem. We have to arrange them in which order? In ascending order. Ascending order means what? From smaller number to bigger number you have to write. So for that, first you have to identify the smaller number in this. Remember, this means it is a separate number and this is a separate number. The numbers are separated by commas, means it is completely one number only. Okay, so read these numbers. What? 34,78,235, 25,46,087, 13,25,216, 41,59,932, 5,49,076. So these are the numbers given. Just while reading them, you have to identify it is 34 lakh, 25 lakh, 13 lakh, 41 lakh, 5 lakh. Which is smaller in them? 5 lakhs is the smaller. So write the 5 lakhs first. 5 lakhs, 49,076. It is the first number. Which order it is? Ascending order. Okay. 5,49,076. What is the second number? After 5 lakhs, next one. 34, it is 25, it is 13 and 41. Which is the smallest? 13 lakhs is the smallest. So 13 lakhs, 25,216. Similarly, next one. 34, 25, 41. So 25 is the smallest. 25 lakhs, 46,087. Next one, what? 34 lakhs, 78,235. And the last one is 41 lakhs, 59,932. Okay, this is the ascending order of the problem, numbers which are given in the problem. Okay, similarly, write the remaining two problems in ascending order. Just nothing is there, they are simple problems. If you read them, then you can understand them easily. Okay, next fourth bit is there. What is fourth bit? Arrange the following numbers in which order? Descending order. arrange the following numbers in descending order. Already I said what is descending order. Descending order means decreasing order, from bigger number to smaller number we have to write. So the first problem is given like this: 45 lakhs 79,002. Next, 26,773. Next, 89 lakh 87,376. Next, 91 lakhs 12,902. Next one, 53 lakhs 72,845. These are the numbers given in this problem. We have to arrange them in which order? In descending order. What is descending order? From bigger number to smaller number you have to write. So descending order. Okay. What is the bigger number in there? First one, 45 lakhs 79,002. 26,773. 89 lakhs 87,376. 91 lakh 12,902. 53 lakh 72,845. If you read that, what you are getting? 45 lakhs. This is 1000, so it is a smaller number. Leave it. 45 lakhs, 89 lakhs, 91 lakhs, 53 lakhs. Which is bigger in this? Obviously 91 lakhs is bigger, so write here 91 lakhs 12,902. It is the one bigger number. Next, another one. After 91, what is that? 89 lakhs 87,376. Next one. What is next one? 53. 53 lakhs 72,845. Next, after that, 45 lakhs 79,002. And the last one is what? This is thousands number, it is very smaller, so 26,773. This is the descending order of the given numbers. Okay. In this way, you already learned to write ascending order and descending order very well in the previous classes. So, try to write the two remaining problems in third bit and fourth bit. There are two problems are there. Try to complete them. Now, fifth bit we have to discuss. What is the fifth bit? Make the smallest possible six digit number by repeating the digits. Okay, by repeating digits, and make the greatest possible six digit number by repeating digits. So making of a digit number, six digit number, greatest and smallest both we have to write. How can we write them? Okay, we already discussed this kind of problems also to write. How can we write the smallest number by some digits are given? So, example, what is the first fifth bit? Make the smallest possible six digit number. Here, this bit is what? Smallest possible six digit number. What are the digits given here? In problem A, some digits are given. What are those? 3, 4, 5. Next, 8, 1, 3. Okay, these digits are given. By these digits, what we have to write? We have to write the smallest number. Okay, to write smallest number, what we have to do means take the given digits, the given numbers, and arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number. So, what is the smaller number in this? 3, 4, 5, 8, 1, 3. So, 1 is the smallest number. Write 1 here. Okay. Next. After 1, what is the smallest? 3. So, 3. 2 3s are there. So, write 3s. Next. After 3, next one is what? 4. After 4, next one is what? 5. After 5, next one is 8. Like this, what we have done here, we arranged the given numbers in which order? Ascending order. To get which number? Smallest possible number. If they ask to make a greatest possible number, then which order you have to write? A decreasing order. Means descending order you have to write. Okay? To make the smallest possible number, arrange the given digits, in which order? In ascending order. Okay, then what we are getting? This one we are getting. What is that? 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now separate them by commas. Where we have to keep commas? Where we have to keep? First, after 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds. Here you have to write comma. Thousands and 10,000s, then write a comma. Lakhs and 10 lakhs, then write a comma. Okay. Only the first you have to write after 3 digits. Remaining are 2 digits only you have to write the commas. Okay. Now in the same bit there is another problem. B is there. What are the digits given in that? 6, 7, 2, 5, 7, 0. These are given. Okay. Now make the smallest which digit number? 6 digit number here. How we can make a smallest 6 digit number? I already said we have to arrange the given digits in which order? Ascending order. Okay, I am writing the ascending order here. First smallest number is 0. Next word 2. Okay. Next word 5. Next 7. Sorry, 6 is there. So write 6. After that 7 and 7. Okay, by arranging them in the ascending order we are getting like this. But 0 is in the first, means it is in the first place. So this is not a valid one. If 0 is on the right side, then it is valid. But if the 0 is in the first place at the left side, then that is not valid. If it is not valid, how many digits are there? Only 5. So now it is only a 5 digit number, not a 6 digit number. So how can you get a 6 digit number? When there is 0, so write the 0 after first digit. Okay. What is the first one? 2 you have to write. And after 2 what you have to write? A 0. Next the remaining same. 5, 6, 7, 7. Now it is a 6 digit number. Write the commas. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits. Next after 2 digits. 1, 2. This is the smallest possible number. Similarly, make the greatest possible 6 digit number. So to make greatest possible 6 digit number, what we have to do? We have to arrange the digits in descending order. Example for 6th bit, problem A I am giving here. 6th bit. Which one we have to write? The greatest possible 6 digit number. Greatest possible 6 digit number we have to write. A. What are the digits given in A? 8, 1, 3, 4, 2, 0. These are the digits given in the problem. To make a greatest possible 6-digit number, what we have to write? Given numbers we have to write in descending order, from bigger number to smaller number. What is the bigger here? What is the bigger number in this? 8. After 8, next one is what? 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, now separate them by commas. 1, 2, 3. Here a comma and a 2. Here a comma. Okay, this is the greatest sixth digit number by the given digits. Okay, like this you have to complete the remaining problem in the sixth bit. So third one ascending order, fourth one descending order, fifth one making the smallest possible digit, sixth digit number, and sixth bit making the greatest possible sixth digit numbers. These are the problems we have discussed today. Okay, so practice them.